Dear colleagues, first of all, today I would like to express the gratitude for each one of you who is participating in this journey with me or with us, because as you know, behind this is a whole team hired by my bosses who are providing many of the things. So the more you watch, the more content, interesting content appears automatically on my social media or on YouTube or however, and that makes me satisfied. But I also hear critics indirectly, of course. Someone is talking and I know it's about me, and I've heard that all these things is repeating just in a different way, that I'm repeating myself. And I was thinking about that. Maybe it's true, yes, but there are many things in life which are repeating. For example, we will have Christmas soon, and we have ornaments each year and the lights, and it's similar, although it's different. And there are also other things which are happening on a regular basis, but we still manage to stay interesting. So I hope I'm not boring you. And the other was that I think that I'm smart and something, and I was thinking also about that, but I saw I'm playing chess 1 year. This year I really intensively play. 1 or 2 hours per day I spend for chess, and sometimes even that not. And I'm progressed really a lot. I'm not 2000 level yet, but I'm getting closer, so I don't know where it will go. Maybe I won't go to 2000 either. But anyway, and that kind of feels me that that I'm intellectual and I have myself for a studied person, of course. But it doesn't matter about the study. We discuss also that you can be smart even without a college, and there are different types of intelligence. And that I won't be too long. I'm eloquent, yes, a new word I've learned, not to say talkative. And today I would like to present you one problem which was when I was a post-diploma student, and I have the subject variational calculus, and from there it's one interesting problem which I would like to explain to you now. So let us move the camera and begin with this. So the point of all this is that I express myself, that I show you that I know the things, and that I will draw, but I will use only one color to do this. And the problem, as you see here, this word, Brachistochrone, or how to spell it, I don't even know. It's a Greek word, and it means shortest time. And that was one interesting problem proposed by mathematician and physicist Bernoulli. And the question was, if a bed slides down from point A to some point B, lower, under the influence of gravitational force, usually it's like X down, like here, and what will be the curve that the bed will come as fast as possible from point A to point B. And the shortest path, of course, is a straight line, but it turns out that that's not the fastest way to come down. And this was done by many authors, 5 different solutions he received at that time, and I want to explain to you how to get to here, because you need to know most elegant solution for me is probably true variational calculus that I mentioned before, but we won't learn here this. I will just give you the solution, and if you draw a coordinate system and say y-axis is here and x-axis is here, then the solution is a curve called cycloid, and it looks like this. is obtained simply you get a circle and you choose a point here, and then you roll this circle around here through x-axis. So in this position it will be somewhere like here. Like this. I mean, you get the point. And equations for this are as follows. They are given in parametric form. In x is r, phi, that's a Greek letter, and it means an angle for which this circle is rotating. And r is the radius of the circle. Minus sine of phi, and y is r, 1 minus cosine phi. And you can see it's not a straight line, but this, I will emphasize it here. And in nature, I mean, what most good approximate resembles this is probably a half pipe. Half pipe, where snowboarders go, skiers, is approximately that shape. And it's the fastest road for them. So this is what I want to explain to you today. Thank you for your attention. And of course, if you're interested, you will find on the internet a lot about this problem. And you will also find that variational calculus then lead to control theory, optimal control theory, where, for example, they were calculating the fastest way of rocket to come from Earth to the Moon. And as you know, the Earth is spinning and circulating around the Sun, the Moon is circulating around the Earth. So that's it. Thank you for your attention, and have a nice Friday night.